Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have the Roboqi, which is a self-gripping cell phone holder with a built-in 10-watt fast wireless charger. This Robobox isn't part of the review, so let's put it aside. The box is cardboard and has a tech electric theme all around it. On the side is some information, automatic wireless charging, max 2 amp input and max 10 watt output. Okay, let's have a look inside the box. Everything is nicely packed, and on the top we have the Roboqi holder itself. It looks quite nice and feels very well built. I like the color. Next we have the power adapter for connecting to a cigarette lighter. This is an air vent clip. A user manual. In this compartment on the side we have the telescopic arm and another cable. The power adapter has a USB Type-C connector in one end, and on the adapter there is an extra USB for connecting another device, which is very convenient if you don't already have USB in your car and need to charge multiple devices. It's also 2 amp, which is nice. There's also a USB to USB Type-C cable included, which will come in handy if you already have USB installed in the car. That way you'll not need to use the adapter. It can also be used in your house, connected to a phone charger. Here's the user manual. I'll show it quickly, so click pause if you want to read it. It's very easy to set up and use. Basically, it's plug and play. The holder is made of plastic, but it looks and feels very good. It's got a little bit of weight to it, so it doesn't feel cheap. The build quality also seems to be quite good. On the front we have this little tab sticking out at the bottom, which will be pushed every time you place the phone in the holder, and the arms will close. This silicone circle is the wireless charger and supports 10 watt on Android devices and 7.5 watt on iPhones. Here we have the USB-C power connector and a LED light. This light is red when it's powered and will change to green when a device is charging. On the back we have some air vents and the tightening mechanism. This is the air vent clip. It's got a ball to attach the holder. This is the tightener. Just turn it to open the clip. These will bite over the vent guides and hold it securely in place. Let's attach the holder, but first we have to make sure the tightener is loose enough. Then push it onto the ball, like that. You can of course also adjust it in any direction that suits your needs. To take it off, just loosen it and pull it off. The telescopic arm is pretty standard, so you may already be familiar with this type. It's good quality though. Here we have a tightener for adjusting the arm's position. Let's loosen it a bit. You can also adjust the length of the arm by loosening this one. When the arm is installed, it's still possible to adjust the angle. Just push it in the desired direction and it will adjust with a little click for each level. The suction cup is secured by this lock here. Mounting is done the same way as we did with the vent clip we saw earlier. Just push it on the ball and secure it. So let's try connecting it to a power source and see how it works. I'm using the included USB cable and I will connect it to my phone's charger. Later in the video I will install it in the car. There we go. Here you can see the LED light, which is red at the moment since there's no device being charged. So pushing this button should close the arms. And releasing should open them. That works just perfect, and the sound is kinda cool. Let's try it again. I will now try with my phone, but to do that I will have to switch to my other camera first. So this is a Samsung S8 Plus with a thick case on it. Arms work, and charging works. It's even fast charging. So my phone here is kinda heavy and bulky at the moment, so let's see if you can hold it upside down. And shake it a bit. Yeah, no problem with that. To remove the phone, just flip it up from the bottom. Just grab it and pull gently. Okay, that works very well, so now it's time to install it in the car. Let's go outside. First I'll install the vent clip. Screw it on tightly to make sure it doesn't come off. Now just push it onto the ball mount and make sure it's tight and secure. For power you can use the included car adapter, that is, if you still have a cigarette lighter in your car. I don't, as I have replaced the ashtray with USB ports, so I'll use the USB cable instead. Now let's switch on the ignition. There we go, works nicely. Just pull at the bottom to take the phone out. This works very well. Of course, you can adjust the angle if you want. Now, let's try the telescopic arm. You could mount it on the dashboard, but my car's dash is a bit rough, so I'll use the window. Okay, so that's done, fast and easy. Adjusting the angle is also no problem, nice and tight. You can also rotate the holder if you want to use the phone in landscape mode. So I was worried about one thing with this holder, and that's what will happen if the power is cut and the phone is still in the holder. Will it fall out or not? Let's try it. Let's try turning off the ignition. It's now off. The arms are still holding the phone without it falling out and releasing only when I pull it out. Let's try that again. I also have USB ports installed under my console, so I can use that as well. It comes out here. So this is a very nice mobile holder for the car, and it works very well. Good material quality and multiple ways to mount it in the car or on your desk. The wireless charging is also a very nice feature to have. If you want to purchase this product, there's a link in the video descriptions below. Hope you liked the video, and remember to subscribe, comment and like. If you have any questions, just post them below and I'll get back to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.